Getting a little bit nervous, but I'm also really excited now. I'm gonna have one last look at my room. This is way harder than I thought. Bye to my kitchen. It is a rainy day and I'm going out. Okay, there are T-minus 4 days until I leave for study abroad, so we gotta get hustling. I am not ready. I have so much to organize. Anyway, I'm gonna vlog my last 4 days in Australia so we can get all ready together. So let's go. This is the current state of my room. All of this are things I might want to take with me. That's bags that I have nowhere to put, but I've just gone through them. Oh, and wait, we have more stuff. This is a pile of stuff that I need to go through. But I've just gone through my wardrobe and it's looking nice and clean. Those are all my dresses I'm keeping. So cute. I also need to go through this mess, which I actually don't know what I'm doing with any of that, so. Okay, I don't even want to start with looking at this pile, because anything that's slightly to do with traveling, I've just plonked it there in the last month, so yeah. Anyway, I just bought a few things for study abroad that I need to top up on, so I thought I'd give you a haul. So I got this e.l.f. Halo Glow. This is like my holy grail product. I got the best deodorant, no pong deodorant, loved. Okay, I also got this light for the back of my phone because apparently London is really dark. Hopefully that will make my filming a bit better quality. I also got a phone strap because I have heard a lot of stories about thieves and people stealing phones in London, so I don't want that to happen to me. It also came with a lanyard, so I feel like that would be pretty handy. I can also make it shorter, obviously. I just got a new phone case. And I got some compression packing cubes so that hopefully it can shrink my clothes a little bit. But yeah, I'm going to continue going through here. Okay, this looks like a mess, but it's actually all organized. This is stuff I need to go through and sort that I'm taking. That is like bathroom stuff that I'm taking, and that is stuff I'm definitely taking. That is question mark. That is coats that I'm taking. That is my backpack that I'm taking. But yeah, I think that is a really good start for today. I definitely have to go through everything and cull. That's stuff I want to take, but I don't think I'll be able to take everything of that. Okay, I look a little bit crazy, but I'm currently getting ready to go on my last night out where I live in Australia with all my friends. So it's like a little like goodbye kind of thing with some of my friends, and I'm really excited, but I'm also so sad because I'm gonna miss everyone. But I hope it's a good night tonight, but the weather, it is not looking good. Okay, and here is my outfit to go out. Mind all my makeup still there, but this is my outfit. Woo! It is a rainy day and I'm going out. Anyway, we're gonna go get pizza and stuff. I'm not taking my camera because I don't want it to get wrecked at the clubs. Anyway, I'm going out. Okay, it's currently 3 days until I leave. I can't believe it. So today I just got my eyebrows done. All nice and fresh and ready. My room is still a little bit of a mess, but I'm currently making some cookies. Let me show you. Boom, this is the setup. I am filming a TikTok right there and I'm making some cookies. My dad also has a slow cooker cooking for dinner tonight, which is so exciting. Also, the reason I'm making cookies is because I have all these ingredients to use up before I go, because by the time I get back, they'll already be out of date. So like I have all these ingredients like here to use up. My gosh, not the dog food. Ben's playing Fortnite.
Clean out ebonymay's old shoes and she refuses to get rid of that she's had for years.
There's a lot going on in here. My dog Lola just sat under my desk. You good there, Lola? I'm gonna miss you, honey. Okay, I did not do that much at all today. Like, I did do a little bit of sorting. Like, I've cleaned my cupboard, I'll show you. I've cleaned up the top of this cupboard. I just need to give some stuff away to people. That box is to give away to all my cousins, and yeah. I'm like beginning to get so nervous to go overseas. I have just been kind of like in denial all day, so I'm also like, I haven't really packed anything, and so tomorrow we're gonna have to do a lot of packing, so get ready for that. Anyway, good night. Hey guys, officially 2 days before I leave and I'm about to do some packing. I'm gonna lay my suitcase out right here, and yeah, we just have to get started on packing because we don't have that long. Yeah. This is the suitcase I'm bringing. It is my biggest suitcase. It's an American Tourister one. It's already got some stuff from when I did Euro Winter with my brother, like in 2023. So I need to pull out a few things. Okay, now I actually have to figure out what clothes I'm taking, and so anyway, I'm going to start with jumpers because it's going to be really cold and I'm going to definitely need jumpers. Like this one is always good because it has a bit of wool in it, so it's very warm. Okay, I've been packing a little bit of my stuff, but I'm definitely overpacked right now. So I've definitely got to go through it in color, but I'll show you what I've got. Okay, we have all my thermals because it's going to be so cold. And then I have this like dress, knitted dress, long sleeve shirts, my warm stockings, just like random tops and t-shirts, activewear, zip, warm socks, warm scarf and hat. Then I think I'm just going to take 2 pairs of jeans. This is my airport outfit, just like some comfy pants and this top. Those are some pajamas. And then these are all the jumpers that I need to go through and pick what I actually want. Then we have skirts and dresses. So that's where I'm at right now. I'm gonna leave it for a second and then I'll go through everything. But I now need to do toiletries and makeup and all that. Okay, for shoes, I'm gonna take my New Balance. What are they? New Balance 574s. I feel like these will be really good for the gym and just for like walking around. And then I'm gonna take my Docs because I feel like they go with heaps of like winter outfits. And I can wear these with like wool socks, so they'll be quite warm. And then I'm going to take my Sambas, but I literally went clubbing in these and look how dirty they are. I think I need to clean them right now, actually. Yeah, I'm going to go clean them. I'm going to let those sit for a little bit to dry. Okay, I'm pausing on packing now because my friend just asked me if I want to go for a swim, and I'm like, I'm not going to be able to swim because it's going to be so cold, like for ages. So I am going to go for a little swim even though the weather is kind of cloudy. So I'll try and do more packing tonight. Anyway, I'm going to go. Morning! It is one day until I leave my study abroad trip and I am getting a little bit nervous, but I'm also really excited now. Anyway, I've just spent the morning getting all my documents ready, so like my copy of my passport, my insurance, where I'm going to be staying, so I can have a folder of everything together on my laptop, and I'm getting mum to print that now at work, so I just have all those documents, so I feel pretty prepared in that way. But now I think I need to get onto packing again because I need to do like all my toiletries and like my personal backpack and also maybe go through my clothes again and get rid of some, so yeah. Okay, now I'm currently packing some essentials into my carry-on bag. This is my like personal item. I also have another little suitcase. But yeah, I just don't know where to start, so I'm going to start here. I already have some items in here, like this pillow. Anyway, I thought I'd show you what I'm bringing in my carry-on. So I've got this little travel adapter. It is so good. And because I'm going to Japan as well, it's going to be very good because it's like a universal one. And then I'll just run you through what I'm taking. I'm not sure where I'm putting everything, but it's okay. I got this from Thailand. It's like a little nasal thing. It like clears your sinuses. Very good. I love it. We have some wet wipes. And then I've got like face wipes. I have a little tub of face cream. I should also put some cleanser in there as well. We have some Panadol, some tissues, some Travacom, quickies, some chewing gum for the plane because like when it lands and your ears are really blocked up, it's good to like chew some gum. The best earplugs from Chemist Warehouse. Some hand cream. I don't even know if I'll use this, but I feel like it'll come in handy. And then I just have some hand sanitizer. I'll also be taking my laptop in the back pocket here. I've also got some compression socks in there and an eye mask. Also this little lock. So that's what I've got so far in my carry-on. There'll be more things I'll put in there, but that's what I'm packing in there for now. I will probably also take this bag with like toothpaste and also some cleanser in it as well, in case my big luggage gets lost with all my stuff in it. Okay, welcome back to the packing station. I have to actually start packing my clothes. I am so nervous right now. Like, I feel like I can't do anything because I'm so nervous to go for so long. Anyway, it's gonna be okay. Okay, so here's the thing. I'm going in winter, but it's gonna be spring by the time I leave. It's gonna be like spring into summer, so I need summer stuff too, I feel, even though it is London. Anyway, I've got all this, which I'm gonna pack in first. I'm gonna put it in one side of my suitcase that's like zipped up, so it's like not as easy to access because I won't be needing that like straight away. So yeah, I'll just run you through what I'm bringing. So I've got one tank top, two baby tees, not, you know, like tighter t-shirts. This one's giving Euro summer, so I feel like I can wear that down the track. Okay, two going out tops. Pretty simple. I feel like this one could be pretty versatile. Same with this one. Oh, I lied. There's three going out tops. I don't know if I'll take this one, but cute. There's another tank top. I don't know if I'll need that. Okay, I'm not taking this one. Goodbye. We have a long dress, knitted dress. I can wear this with boots and a coat, or if it's a little bit warmer I can just wear it like with sneakers. So this is like a warmer going out top. I do not know what I need really. I thought I'd bring my I Love Paris t-shirt because I'm gonna go to Paris and like, I don't know, I just thought it'd be funny. And then we have this t-shirt which I love. It's another just like baby tee kind of thing. Then I've got 1, 2, 3 oversized t-shirts for the gym. Boom. My mum's like, you don't need to bring these, but it's gonna be spring and I might go on a holiday to somewhere warm, so I'm gonna bring this dress. Very cute. This dress, also very cute. And this dress. And then I'm just gonna pack this pink skirt as well because I can wear this in spring or winter. So that's gonna go in the packing cube that I probably won't open until I'm settled into my place in London. It is so hot and humid here today, and I'm like, I can't believe this time next week I'm gonna be in my freezing cold London accommodation. I'm scared. Oh, I don't know. Okay, so I've got 3 compression packing cubes. I don't know whether, oh wait, there's actually more. Lol. Oh, okay, there's 4. So I don't know what to put in what, so. Okay guys, I am back at the packing station. My mom's watching movies, so don't mind that. But I just had a dinner with my family, like my cousins and stuff, to say bye to me, and it was so sad saying bye to my grandma. And I also had to say bye to my grandma on my dad's side last night, and then my grandma on my mom's side tonight, and it was so sad. I'm packing. I don't feel the best, like I feel kind of sick, I don't know why. But let me show you what I've done. But here's what we've got. Oh, those are my shoes that I need to lace up. Anyway, but I have my tote bag, my microphone, because I'm going to be doing some podcast stuff. Anyway, my towel, hair towel, my warm wool coat, and underneath here I've got my doona cover. I just want to take that, so don't judge. Then I have some thermals. This is like all thermals, plus a few extra things. Those are like spring clothes, because it's going to be spring. Oh my gosh, I have so many jumpers, but these are all my jumpers and my long sleeve t-shirts, and these like socks and undies. And then I have another suitcase over here. I haven't finished packing this one, but I've got these 2 jumpers that I'm just going to have to kind of stuff in there. I've got my pajamas there. I think that might be just extra clothes and stockings and things. I pretty much finished packing all my carry-on like backpack. So I think I showed you a bit of that. And then also I pretty much finished packing my big suitcase. I've just got to do my toiletries now and like my makeup and stuff. And luckily I have a little spot for that. And then in my carry-on suitcase, I just have to kind of figure that out a little bit. I also have to make sure that this isn't over the weight. My suitcase is currently 17, but I still need to add my toiletries, makeup, and my shoes, so we have to be a little bit careful. So I'm going to have to disperse it between the 2 suitcases, but we'll figure that out tomorrow. Anyway, I'm going to go to bed now, and I leave tomorrow night, so 1 more night's sleep. Oh! Guys, it's officially move out day. Like, I leave in about 4 hours to go to the airport and I'm so nervous. Alright, my carry-on is pretty much packed. This is my other little bag. Okay, I think my big suitcase is packed, and this is my little suitcase, and here's like my airport outfit and the shoes I'll be taking. I think I leave in about like 2 hours or so. I'm eating my last mango for a long time and I'm so excited to eat it. We're eating our last mango. How do you feel, Ben? Are you sad? Oh. Okay, I'm all ready to go. I've got my suitcases here and this one. My backpack is on. I'm gonna have one last look at my room. I'm so sad. I'm gonna miss everything. Okay, it's my final moments in my room. See you in 6 months or so. Bye.
Everybody will get a room reveal when she gets back.
Mum's gonna do it. Yeah, Mum's gonna do it in my room. Oh, bye, darling. Bye, honey. Bye to my kitchen. Oh. Okay, I made it to the airport with my family. Ben wants to show you his bento box.
So mine too.
I'm just at this cafe and I'm just downloading CapCut to edit some videos on the plane. And I'm here with May and Bennett. They're seeing me off today, but I have to get to my gate in like an hour and a bit, so yeah. Anyway, thank you for coming along with me to get ready for my study abroad trip. I'm so excited to share more content about study abroad, but right now I'm just having a little pit stop in Japan. I'm in Tokyo right now, so I'm definitely going to make a video on that as well. So anyway, have the best day, guys. Bye!